So this you see here is something new I'm working on. Well, actually I shouldn't say working on, it's complete now. But this is the virtual water Bionizer, which as you see it also has a biocharger magnetron in the center of it. Along in the center is also a Bion witness sample. Let me just place the water here. And over here you have the matrix of the sample. Okay, and then over here the actual microscopic view of the bions, which this is this in matrix form. And then of course the concept here is using motion and light along with the witness sample and the amplifying pattern to bionize your water.